So guys, for the first step, what you need to do, you need to go here, search option here, search for check for updates, press enter, and here make sure that your device is up to date. After that, you need to go here, search option and search for CMD, and go here run as administrator, press yes, and here you need to type 2-3 commands. First command is sfc space /scan. Now after that, press enter, and this scan will start, and it will take some time, and I'm gonna skip the video for that part. After this is done, you need to type in DISM space /online, then space /cleanup, and then dash image, and then space /restore restore health, and then press enter. After this is done, you need to close this here, and for the last step you need to go here and then restart your computer.